Good morning, children. Today we will read O sound sentences. And children, you know sentences are made up of words. But before that, we will read this picture. Okay, we will do picture reading. Can you see this picture? What is this? This is a dog. And where is this dog sitting? Where is this dog sitting? This dog is sitting on a log. And children, you know what is a log? Log is a piece of trunk. आपने tree देखा है ना? And you know what is a trunk? जब हम trunk को small pieces में cut कर देते हैं, it is called a log. So this dog is sitting on a log. Okay? Now we will read sentences. Okay? We will start from first sentence. And this is the first sentence. And children, one more thing. This is A. And the sound of A is A. But when we read A in a sentence, we pronounce it as A. And it means one. A means one. A dog. It means here is only one dog. A dog. A big dog. And this dog is big. This is a big dog. A big dog. Tom is a dog, full stop. And the name of this dog is Tom. Okay? Tom is a big dog and Tom is a big dog, as you can see here in the picture. Tom sat on a log and this Tom is sitting on the log. Where is this dog sitting? Tom is sitting on a log. Tom sat on a log. So children, in this way you will read these sentences, okay? And you will make an audio. आप उस audio को मैम को send करेंगे. ये sentences को read करेंगे and you will send it to me, okay? Now, in classwork, what we will do, we will tick the correct sentence. This is an exercise. ये एक exercise है बेटा इस page पर. देखिए हमें क्या करना है. First, Tom is a cat. Full stop. Tom is a dog. Can you tell? Tom is cat or a dog? Yes? Yes, Tom is a cat. No, Tom is not a cat. Tom is cat or a dog? Tom is a dog. So you have to put a tick in this box. Okay? In the same way, next is Tom sat on a log. Tom sat on a mat. Where is Tom sitting? On a log. So you will put a tick in front of this sentence. In this way, you will complete this exercise in your book. You will read these sentences with correct pronunciation and you will make an audio and send it to me. So, this was all about today. Thank you, children.